What did we discuss in last session?
Last session we discussed like creating customized permission,
Okay,
then site columns and list columns, and
okay,
web parts. Means what is web parts and types of web parts.
okay. Did I show you different types of out-of-box web parts?
Uh, that one you shown like the list, how we will use list as a web part.
Okay, that's all. Huh?
Yeah, that's it only.
Okay,
It's six, I guess. Yeah.
yeah, okay. Did you practice customizable permission?
Oh no, yesterday I didn't get time actually. After that I moved to office.
Okay, okay, no issue. Yeah. When you get the time, no, just try to practice it. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Just to see. Today I am going to discuss about different types of web parts in SharePoint.
Okay.
Okay. See, I told you how many types of web parts are there in SharePoint 2010.
There are two types of web parts.
Yeah, out of box
Out
web
of
part
box.
and custom web part.
Right.
Yeah, as I told you that each and everything we can treat it as a web part in SharePoint maximum, right?
Right. Right.
Yeah, list as a web part and the document library as a web part. Okay,
Okay.
each and every web part it is up and running on separate thread.
Right.
Why so? See, due to some critical issues or some circumstances,
Correct.
if some web part got crashed, that should not be affect to another web part, right?
Right.
Yeah. So due to that, Microsoft has implemented each and every web part should be up and running on separate thread.
Okay.
Separate thread. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, just to see. Now I am going to show you different types of web part. First,
Okay.
site action, edit page.
Okay.
Okay. Click on insert.
Okay.
Click on web part. Click on custom. Sorry, here we can see what is it, media and content. Under media and content we can see different types of web part.
Right.
One is content editor web part, image view web part, page view web part, picture library web part, Silverlight web part.
Okay. Yeah. Picture library we seen yesterday.
Sorry.
Picture
Yeah.
library web part we seen yesterday.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah.
Right.
Now I am going to explain about content editor web part.
Okay.
Okay, before using content editor web part, very simple, I am going to show you. Now just see, open the notepad, write required HTML tag. What is the main use of the content editor web part is, see, by using content editor web part we can write it down some JavaScript and HTML tags.
JavaScript and HTML tags.
HTML tags.
Okay.
Okay, I am repeating. See, I am going to create one page. How can you create the page? Site action,
New page. Okay.
create new page. I am giving what, client dot axpx,
Okay.
client dot axpx,
Okay.
or else test dot axpx I am giving.
Okay. Already.
uh,
Surya test.
yes. Yeah, yeah. Let me give some TCS.
Okay.
Okay, click on create.
Okay.
Got it? See,
Yes.
here we can mention what is it, welcome to SharePoint 2010 web parts.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to increase the size, increase it.
Right.
Okay, next,
Okay.
change the color, change it,
Right.
save it. See, how can you navigate to this page from home page? Go to the site action,
Sites.
view all site content.
Okay.
Next, here we can find it out. What is it? Site pages. Site pages are specific to particular site.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you have created the pages for particular site, no, everything will get stored under where? Under site pages. What is that? TCS dot axpx. See, getting?
Okay.
Yeah, now I want navigate to this page. How can you do it? Copy this URL,
Right.
go to home, now click on edit.
Okay.
Okay, I want mention one link over here.
Okay.
Okay, how can I mention? Click on insert hyperlink.
Right.
Okay, what is it? I am giving some TCS.
Okay.
Okay, address would be that URL. Click on OK.
Okay.
Save it. See, if I click on here, it will takes us to what?
Right. The TCS
Yes,
page.
it will takes us to particular tcs.txt page. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now in this page, I want to use what is it? Content editor web part. How can you use the content editor web part? Click on edit. Now scroll down. Okay, click on insert.
Okay.
Click on web part. What is it? Go to the media and content web part.
Content.
Next, click on content editor web part. Got it? Now highlight it. Click on smart tag edit web part.
Okay.
Then we will get click here to add new content. Right?
Okay.
Click on here. Now click on format text on the ribbon. What is it? HTML. Edit HTML source. Got it? Now here you can provide what? JavaScript, HTML, everything, whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am providing HTML like H1. I am giving welcome to SharePoint 2013.
Okay.
Okay. Next, font color equal to red.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next, you know marquee tag, right?
Right.
What is the use of marquee tag?
It's like scrolling things.
Yeah, the text will be scrolling
Scrolling. Yeah.
and on the side. Now
Right.
I am giving this side will not be accessible from 3 a.m. sorry p.m.
Mm-hmm.
EST to 4 p.m. EST. Close the what?
Mark.
Marquee tag. Close the what? Font.
Font. Yes.
Next, finally close the HTML.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Save it. Okay, click on OK. See,
Okay.
welcome to SharePoint 2013. This site will not be accessible from 3 p.m. EST to 4 p.m. EST. US time it is.
Okay.
Got it. What is the use of content editor web part? By using content editor web part, we can write it down some JavaScript and HTML
Okay.
files.
Files. Okay.
Got it. This is the one way which we can use it. Other way is, see, I am going to create one text file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, HTML H1 like welcome to SharePoint H1. Next, font color equal to red.
Okay.
Next, marquee. What else? Welcome to
SharePoint.
TCS company. Okay, I am giving marquee. Close the font.
Right.
Same. Close the what? HTML as well. Okay, save.
Mm-hmm.
You can save extension with what extension? Normal TXT file. No, not a problem. I am giving TCS dot TXT.
Okay.
Okay. Click on save it.
Mm-hmm.
Close. Now go and verify.
Yes.
What is it? This one, right?
Right.
Okay. Now
No.
upload it.
TCS one is ours.
Where?
Here. Yeah. In second column, last row.
Yeah, TCS. Okay. Now go to the web application.
Mm-hmm.
Site action. View all site content.
Okay.
Now what is it? Click on site assets. What is the use of site assets? By using site assets, use this library to store the file which are included on the pages. Okay, within the site. such as images or wiki pages. Got it?
Mm,
So whatever we are going to use now, if you are inserted this site assets, okay, throughout site we can use them.
okay.
Okay. Now click on site asset, upload the document. What is the document? TXT file.
Right. TCS.txt.
Yes. Okay, click on OK. Now copy this path. How can you copy? Just highlight it, right click, copy as a link.
Okay.
Got it? Now go to home. Click on edit. Insert. Click on web part. Okay, add media and content, edit the content editor web part.
Okay.
Okay, see now what we will do now, right click, edit web part.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple. Paste the link whichever you have copied.
Okay.
Okay, now as you know that already, this is already 9999 web application.
Mm-hmm.
Remove it. If you give the path from site asset tcs.txt, that is more than enough.
Okay.
Okay, click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
Save it. See,
And it's showing that content editor heading. That also we can remove.
yes, that also we can remove it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, welcome to TCS company. How can you remove this? If you are not liking content editor, we can change it like TCS. Click on edit. In right side we will get the web part properties. Click on
Okay.
appearance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Instead of content editor, I am giving what? TCS.
Okay.
Click on OK. See,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
It is TCS. Even you don't want even this TCS also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, what should you do? Click on edit. Now click on edit web part.
Okay.
Click on appearance. Scroll down. Here Chrome type. Chrome type by default, it is default.
Default. Okay.
Now I don't want to appear even title also, make it none.
Okay.
Now click on none. See, do you see any title?
Right. No title.
No, right?
But that's scrolling. Acha, it's
Yeah,
there.
it will come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, softwares won't blame us. It should work
Right.
if we give proper input, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
See, generally, see if I do like this,
Mm-hmm.
got it? Okay.
Okay.
Especially it is appearing only particular page.
Right.
Now, if you observe that onlinesbi.com, if you go any page, onlinesbi.com,
Uh-huh.
if you go any page, this scroll will be scrolling.
Okay.
In this case, where we will mention master page,
Master
right?
page, yeah.
Yeah, if I mention this same tag over here, see whatever I have highlighted,
Mm-hmm.
ribbon is the common for every page, right?
Right.
Yeah, so everyone will see any page. Got
Okay.
it?
Right.
Yeah. How can you apply it over here? That I will show you by using designer.
Okay.
Okay, getting Surya?
Yes.
Any doubt?
So content editor is only to show the HTML content on the page, right?
Yeah, HTML or JavaScript.
JavaScript.
If you are Gem in jQuery, you can implement jQuery also.
Okay. Can you show the example of JavaScript and jQuery?
Yeah, same. What we will do now? I will give you the hands up, try it out. Otherwise, I will give you the coding part, everything.
Okay.
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 In that, what is it? This HTML file.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to call the one JavaScript method inside of the button, right?
Right.
Yeah. Go there. Before that, what is it? Script
Script. Yeah.
equal to JavaScript. Okay. Next, type equal to what is it?
But
Text or
text,
JavaScript.
JavaScript. Yeah.
Okay, just I am giving. Next, function some ABC.
Okay.
Write the code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now close the what is it?
Script tag.
Script.
Right.
Got it? Now in HTML, you know how to make the button, right?
Right.
Okay, make the button.
Okay.
Just I am giving entire thing, but you need to you need to practice it. That's all.
Okay.
Button btn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
some text equal to some submit.
Okay.
How can you call that method inside of the button?
On click.
On click.
Click.
On click equal to, if I give function, sorry, call that function. That's enough.
Mm-hmm.
We are using JavaScript only here, right?
Right. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah, got it.
Yep.
Yeah, same way. What we will do now? jQuery. jQuery file. To implement jQuery, you might have. Did you work on jQuery?
Not more.
Not more.
No.
Yeah. Okay. You have an idea, right?
A little bit idea I'm having.
Yeah. So to implement the jQuery, you need to download the one file. Got it? Did you ever download it?
The JS file you are saying, right?
jQuery.
jQuery file, yeah.
See, just type the jQuery.com.
Mm-hmm.
What is the use of jQuery? It is the advanced technology of the JavaScript, right?
Right.
Now see, download the jQuery, upload into any SharePoint document library.
Okay.
Then implement the jQuery functions.
Okay.
Getting? That's why I'm telling. By using content editor web part, we can write it on JavaScript or HTML tags.
Okay.
Okay, got it. It is more compatible JavaScript web part. Sorry, content editor web part.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Any doubt? Will you practice it?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Tomorrow, if you get any error, no, let me know. I will show you one example.
Sure.
Practice it. So I given entire hands up.
Okay.
Okay. You need to mention that also. I can show you. Alert. Mention alert.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hello.
Right.
Is it okay?
Right.
If I click on this button, hello alert, it should be applied.
Right.
Okay, will you do that? Now you got idea?
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it.
Just try it out, okay?
Sure.
Yeah. Now I am going to show you how to use the what?
That master page, MauryQ on master page.
Yes. This URL we can make it on master page. That I will show you by using designer. Now I am going to show you another web part. Go to the site action, edit page. Click on insert. Click on web part. What is it? Under media and content. Here we can see what is it? Page viewer web part. What is the use of page viewer web part? By using page viewer web part, we can call internal or external sites.
Okay.
Okay. See, click on edit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Click on open tool pane. What is the use of page viewer web part? By using page viewer web part, we can call internal or external sites.
Okay.
Yeah. See. Edit web part.
Mm-hmm.
Click on tool pane. What happened? See, I'm going to delete this web part here.
Okay.
Why answer?
It's fine.
Okay. Now click on tool pane.
Okay.
Okay. Right side we will get the web part properties.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I told you already. By using page view web part, we can call internal or external sites, right?
Right.
http://cnn.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now click on appearance. We can also set the web part height and width. Okay. I am giving what? 900 height.
900.
Okay. 800 width.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
Save it. See
Okay.
how comfortable. Do you know? Within the web part itself, I am accessing the what is it? Our web application. Got it?
Yeah.
Within the web part itself, I am accessing
Okay.
what?
Yeah. Other websites.
Yes, other external sites.
External sites.
Yeah. See, my student asked that we are accessing the state within the web part. Okay, do you have any performance issue or not? Do you have performance issue? No. Outside, if we access it, how performance we can see? Same performance we can expect even within the web part as well.
Right.
Say, click on Europe. See, do you see any performance? No.
No.
Outside, how you will get same performance we can expect.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the use of page view report? By using page view report, we can call internal or external sites. Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Any doubt?
It's fine as of now.
Yeah. Next, I am going to show you one more web part called pitch. What is it? Image viewer web part. What is the use of image viewer web part?
To view the images, right?
Sorry?
To view the images.
Yes. What is the difference between picture library web part and image viewer web part?
I guess in picture library we can see in a slide show also,
Yeah.
but in picture library it could not be.
Yes.
Okay.
In image viewer report, in image viewer report, we can show only one picture.
Mhm.
Okay, in picture library report, we can show multiple images.
Okay.
Okay, where we can perform the what? Slide by
Slide
slide. Okay,
Right.
like picture view like that.
Right.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you how to use the what?
Image viewer.
Image viewer web part. Generally, while I am showing you how to change the company logo, okay, where did I paste the images?
Okay. At the left top corner.
Sorry?
We seen the image at left top corner, right?
Yes, that is okay. I have pasted my custom image, right? How it come left side corner? Where should I paste that images? Under once you install the SharePoint 2007, which folder will be created?
Okay. 14 Hive folder.
Yes, exactly. Where did I paste my images? 14 high folder.
Yes.
That is mandatory, right?
Right.
Yeah. Exact path. What is it? Do you remember? Underscore layout.
Yeah. Underscore layout slash 14s.
Okay.
Something I don't remember that.
Yes. Okay. 14 underscore layouts. Next 1033
Yeah.
images.
Right.
Yeah. Great. See. Tell me that path. E drive. Sorry. SharePoint install drive. I have installed the SharePoint on D drive.
Mhm.
Next. Program files. Common files. Microsoft Share. Web server extension. 14. Got it?
Yeah.
Click on here. Click on templates. What is it? Layouts.
Layouts. Okay.
1033. Images. What is it? TCS. See, I am going to use the same thing. I am going to use same images. Got it?
Right.
Save this image. I am giving like RAM image.
Mhm.
Okay, or else I am giving TCS
Okay.
logo. Click on OK.
All right.
Copy under MS, paste it. Okay, copy this URL.
That path. Okay.
Yeah. Go to the notepad, paste it. Okay. Instead of forward slash, give the backward slash.
Right.
Okay, I am giving TCS logo dot JPG. Copy. Now go to the SharePoint application.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to delete it. How can you delete it?
Yeah, from there.
Click on Smart Tag.
Smart tag. I guess
Or
first
else
we
edit
need
the
to
page.
edit page. Yeah. Let's need to edit the page first.
Yes, we'll see.
Yeah.
Delete it.
Delete. Yeah.
Okay, it's gone. Now what we'll do? We need to add the which web part?
Image viewer web part.
Image viewer web part. Click on insert. Click on web part. What is it? Under media and content, we can see what is it?
Image viewer.
Image viewer web part. We add it.
Mhm.
Okay, click on open toolpath.
Okay.
Okay, I am giving copy word.
Oh,
Where did we copy?
in Notepad.
Yes, copy. Paste it. Click on it.
Okay.
Why it is not appearing?
Mm.
Yeah, why? TCS logo. I mentioned wrong.
Oh,
Okay. Copy.
yeah. Mm.
Edit web part. Okay. Click on OK. See?
Right.
Do you see any different? No, right?
No.
Yeah. We can also remove the what? Image viewer title. How can you remove it? Edit web part.
Mhm. Yes, that's in
Okay.
appearance.
Click on appearance. Remove the
Oh.
from default to none.
No.
Click on OK.
Right.
See? Do you see any difference both of them?
No difference.
Yeah, no difference, right? This is about what? Image viewer web part.
Okay.
So almost all under media and content, no, I have completed all the web parts.
Mhm.
What are they? Content editor web part, picture library web part, and image viewer web part. Next, page viewer
Page
web
viewer
part.
web part.
Silverlight web part is there, that I will show you through Visual Studio.
Okay.
Okay, any doubt?
No, it's fine.
Yeah, this is about web part. I need to show you custom web part. If I
Yes.
start the custom web part, it will take 1 more hour here.
Uh,
This weekend you are going to home?
yeah.
Okay. When Saturday, na?
Saturday, yeah. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, I will not be here.
Okay. Even you cannot connect from your home, huh?
Yeah, no. We don't have net connection there.
Okay. Why don't you bring the data card here?
Yeah, that's
Okay. Nice. Yes. Yeah. Tomorrow I will start the custom web parts.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
through Visual Studio. Coding part starts. Okay, it will be there in another week. Okay, up to 1 week entire coding part. After that, I will show you designer. After that, server side object model.
Okay.
Yeah, so many things are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Any doubts, Surya?
No.
Do you have any confusion?
No confusion as of now. It's fine.
It's clear, right? Yeah. Next, I will show you what is the announcement and what is the use of calendar, everything. Okay. Now go to the site action. view all site content, click on create.
Okay.
Okay, here we can see what is it. Uh, some announcement under communications, announcement list is there.
Okay.
Okay, what is the use of announcement?
Something like it.
Like announcing something.
Yeah.
Okay, we can say in our company we have SharePoint training from today to Monday.
Okay.
This is one kind of announcement only, right? See, I am giving announcement. Okay, click on create it. Okay, add new announcement. Okay, I am giving what? SharePoint
Hmm.
2010 training.
Okay.
Okay, body. Here is the concepts which going to cover. Got it? One is web part. Just I am giving hands up. Okay,
Okay.
like designer,
Mhm.
admin, development, apps. Okay, customization.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Expiries. This announcement will be expired by tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, see, once you got 14 date in our system, then this announcement automatically will be expired. It won't be appear in our announcement list.
Okay.
Okay, click on save. See,
Right.
got it? Once I click on it, we will get the screen. See, SharePoint 2010 training. Here
Right.
is the concept of which we are going to cover. A web part, designer, admin, apps, customization.
Right.
Yeah, who has entered it is administrator.
Administrator. Yeah.
Got it? This
Okay.
is called announcement. Next, calendar. What is the use of calendar? To make events, daily working things, everything we will make it in calendar, right?
Right.
Right? There. See, assume that I am going to schedule a call from today to coming Monday.
Okay.
For how many hours? Every day 1 hour.
Okay.
Why? To teach the SharePoint.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, assume that today to coming Friday I am going to take the class in between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. during
Okay.
working hours.
Okay.
Okay, in these kind of events we will schedule it in by using what list?
In calendar.
Announcement list.
Acha, announcement.
Sorry, not announcement, calendar list.
Okay.
See, announcement also it comes under what? List category.
Okay.
Okay, calendar also it will comes under what? List category.
All right.
So in interviews, they will ask you, tell me 4 different types of list and 4 different types of logmeat libraries are there in SharePoint.
Okay.
What will it tell? At least 4 libraries: document library, picture library, report library, image,
Image.
next form library or report library. Got it?
Right.
Tell me 4 different types of the list, like announcement, calendar,
Announcement,
custom list, contact list.
Custom list.
Getting guys?
Custom list and
Contact list.
contact list.
Contact list, announcement, calendar. Now
Okay.
I am going to show you functionality of the calendar. Now go to the site action, view all site content. Click on create. Okay, click on list. See, one time I am getting that window, one time I am getting this window. Why? Do you have any confusion on this?
Mm,
See.
no, why? Yeah.
Now go to the site action, view all site content. Click on create.
Okay.
This window is coming now. It is good. Once I click on list, it will display list of the different types of list which are available in currently in our SharePoint application.
Right.
Okay, sometime it is bigger window, right? Do you see?
Uh,
View all site content, click on create. It's not coming. Next time it will come. Both are same. Sometimes sometimes Silverlight functionality is appearing. Sometimes it is not appearing due to
Okay.
some my server problem. But every time list and libraries will be displayed like this only.
okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Any doubt? I am creating calendar.
Mm-hmm.
Let me create my calendar. click on create.
Okay.
Okay, got it. See, from 16th to 22,
Mm-hmm.
I want schedule SharePoint training. Press enter. See, from 16 to 21. What is the title? SharePoint training. Okay, location. 2 years to conference room.
Okay.
Got it. Description. I am going to cover web parts, list, docs, designer, next
Mhm.
object model. Okay, something like backup and restore.
Right.
Okay, got it. Category. Okay, I am going to schedule it in working hours.
Workers. Okay.
Okay, make this event repeating event. Every day it will be occur, right?
Right.
Okay, now click on save it.
Okay.
See, it is occupied.
Right.
Got it?
Yes. But where like other users can see these this calendar and announcement list item.
Yes, same. See, if I log in with another user, okay, they will go to where? See my calendar, left side menu. They can see.
Okay. Okay. So in left hand side menu.
Yes,
So
announcement is there. Announcement. Everything we can
means
read.
user need to check every day, like is there any announcement or not.
Yes,
So they
exactly.
are not getting any like a pop-up or alert like that.
Yeah, you will get email notification. Once you configure it, no, you will
Okay.
get email notification.
Okay. Okay.
Once you configure the SMTP in your system, you will get everyday email notification. Hi Surya, from today 7th to 8th, we have
Okay.
SharePoint training. Like that, you will get email notification.
Okay. So can we make this announcement as something on the page so that all active announcement can be seen without clicking on that announcement list? Means that list can be viewable on the page directly
Yes,
in
yes, we
some
can make
area.
it. Yeah,
Okay.
I told
Okay.
you now. Each and everything we can treat it as a web part.
Okay.
Yeah, add it straight away
Okay. On page directly if we add
on
this.
page directly. See, I
Okay.
told you list as a web part yesterday. Same now announcement
Okay.
also
Okay.
list. I am telling
Right.
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 So add this list into the our in front page web part.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got
Okay,
it.
that is great, right?
Right. Right. That's
Yes, you can add it.
okay.
Getting Surya, any
Yes.
doubt?
No.
These are all the important list which I have discussed.
Calendar and announcement.
Announcement.
Listed also we see.
Few of the list, no, wherever situation demands, I will explain.
Sure.
See, and what is it? Picture library.
Mhm.
Okay, their concept came, I explained over there.
Right.
Like that, it will cover everything. No need to worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
That
How is the class today?
yeah.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more question. Picture is like picture viewer. You said right? It's a web part.
Yeah. Picture library is the library. Okay. Picture library web part is the that to show the pictures.
Right.
Yeah. Picture library slideshow web part. What is the full name of the that web part? Picture library slideshow web part.
Okay. And you said list also picture list. That is the same. This picture library.
No. That we can see, just pictures we can see. We cannot perform this kind of
Okay,
operations
okay, okay.
like slide by slide pictures.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Okay. Any doubt for today's session, Surya?
No doubt. It's fine as of now.
Okay. Please be practiced. Tomorrow I will ask some questions on all my previous sessions.
Okay. And one more thing, like you told yesterday, like you are sharing some 2010 and 2013 server link.
Okay.
So I'm waiting.
Give me
for
that your Gmail address so
yeah,
that I will share
I
it.
mailed yesterday. I'm giving it.
Yeah.
to you.
Otherwise, give me Ping me in Skype. In another 10 minutes, you will get email notification.
Yeah, I just pinged my mail address.
Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and regarding this payment thing, no, if Naresh IT not responded me properly, no, then I will do the payment to you, no issue.
Okay. No
But please
problem.
continue.
That
Yeah.
is not a problem.
Yeah, I want to.
Okay, just
complete it, yeah.
Just I informed you, that's all.
Yeah, that's fine.
If you are paying me in by end of the class, no, that is not a problem.
No,
Just
no,
just
that's
discuss with them. If they are not okay, just be
okay.
confident. That's all.
Yeah, fine.
Be confidential. Sir.
Because I am just on negotiation on that amount what they are saying.
Okay.
So what they said, like after demo we will discuss on this, and now
Okay.
they are not coming on phone. So
Okay.
I
Okay.
don't know what happened.
Okay.
So anyway, I have to pay, right? Either you or them. So
Yeah.
not a problem. Yeah, only that the factor is I am just negotiating,
Mhm.
so that I will be comfortable.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Great. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah. That is everything is there. If you
Yeah.
go one shop, you will bargain, right? That is
Yes,
common.
right. That's true. And can we start it right at 10:30 or 10:45 max?
Sir, I have one more session. That is the main
Okay,
problem.
okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. So like 10.
No, that was going to be completed another 2 days. Oh,
Okay.
only 2 days. Once it is completed, no, I will start your class by sharp 10